Do you want to make money online without showing your face? Here in 2025, TikTok clipping is still one of the easiest side hustles you can do to make extra money. And in this video, I'm going to show you my process of taking clips from podcasts and generating millions of views like I have right here. This is my analytics from one of the main pages that I run called the financial.clipper. And the analytics speak for itself. 3.7 million views in the last 30 days is insane, and all of these other analytics. And as you can see right here, my estimated rewards is $2,019, which is absolutely insane. And again, for me, this is just a side hustle, and I do other things for income, such as freelance video editing with other clients. So again, this isn't my main source of income, but having this on extra on the side, and I want to keep utilizing this side hustle moving forward. And I want to help others do the same because again, this is easy money to make. It just takes time to get there. But here's another screenshot of exactly what I've made, and it's actually $2,021.30. And this is the clip account that I'm talking about, just so you can see all the different proof. And I'm essentially making clips for Caleb Hamer from his financial audits, and I'm pulling the most viral moments that I think could go well. And page is doing pretty well. As you can see, it's getting thousands of views. This video right here, 207,000 views from a couple of days ago. And this video right here, which got me a good payday, is 1.1 million views. And it's honestly just insane. And as you can see, I have posted hundreds and thousands of clips. I've been clipping on this account since February of 2024. So again, consistency is the name of the game when it comes to clipping, because eventually, and as you can see, 1.2 million views right here. Crazy. And that's the name of the game, consistency. And that's where a lot of clippers that I've talked to have struggled with, is that they will post for a month, see no results. They won't be monetized in the TikTok Creator Rewards program because they just want it instantly, but that is not how it works whatsoever. And this is another podcast clipping account that I am creating, and it's at 5,300 followers. So I'm getting close to that 10,000 follower mark to get money in the Creator Rewards program. And this is another podcast that I enjoy watching, and that is something that I honestly recommend, is just for finding creators that you want to clip for, find people that you already watch or enjoy and clip their content. And once you prove yourself and get millions of views, then you could reach out to the creator itself, show what you've done, and maybe you could be an quote unquote in-house clipper with their team. And that is honestly something that I'm hoping to do with both of these accounts, is utilizing it and trying to honestly get podcast clients outside of this for in the future. But yeah, as you can see, I had a 1 million view video on here, and I'm essentially taking exclusive content from these creators. And if you're going to do that, make sure you reach out to the creator, get permission, and of course tag them in all the videos, because at the end of the day, it is their content. But as long as we tag them, it's just going to get them more reach and more exposure to the brand, and what brand doesn't want that? So when you're trying to find a creator to clip for, just go based off of that. Or if you just don't have a creator that you really watch every week, like on your spare time, then you could just go across YouTube and find any podcasts that are already popular, because that'll help grow your page even faster. So that is just something I highly recommend doing there. So the next step is then finding viral AI clips. And I am not here to sell you guys anything. I'm just sharing what has worked in my experience to generate millions of views and to save as much time as possible. And an AI tool that has really helped me is Opus Pro. And essentially, take one long form video and it will give you about 10 to 30 clips per video, honestly sometimes more, and it'll just save you more time at the end of the day. And essentially you just drop a video link in here. If you have a Google Drive link, a YouTube link, or if you have any files from clients that you do work with, upload it in here and it'll generate these clips for you. And this honestly does save quite a bit of time with finding timestamps, because again, if you have an hour-and-a-half podcast and if you don't have the time to watch that all, then this is the perfect tool for you. But if you do have the time and you honestly just don't have the funds up front, then just watch the content itself, make a notes app on your phone, and just write down the timestamp of each video clip. And doing it that way will allow you to save money, but you will have to spend more of your time doing it. But also sometimes spending time to watch the content to find the best clips can sometimes be a better way. But I'm going to walk you guys through Opus Pro here to show what I do on my end. But again, you could use Premiere Pro for captions. You can use CapCut, or you could use the TikTok application directly. If you're uploading it from your phone, there is a caption tool you can use. And so you can get your captions in there, and you can do all the screen recording for the content on your phone. And with Opus, I personally have the Pro version here, and it allows you for AI B-roll, captions, custom fonts, anything that you want to do to your clips, you can essentially do in here if you do not have an external editing software. Now, again, I do use Premiere Pro, but for this instance, it does save me a little bit more time. So I do use the Pro version here, which is actually 50% off, but let's go into the software here. So as you can see, here are all the clips that I have generated right here. A lot of these are screen recordings that I have imported into Opus. And down here, there are long form YouTube videos that I have imported. And as you can see, it has generated a lot of different clips right here. And as I keep scrolling down, let's just see how many total clips. I believe this is like an hour-and-a-half podcast right here. And as you can see, we're already at 30 plus clips. So again, this is something you can really utilize. 40 clips right here, and it probably took about 15 minutes to generate these instead of having to watch the podcast. So that is insane right there. But again, I'm going to go through a screen recording right here. So here are all the clips again, but I'm going to go through this long form video to show you guys. So as you can see, this is a top clip that it thinks it could go most viral. So I'm going to edit this up, and I already did, but I'm just going to show you guys exactly what I do. So you want to go to edit clip right here, and it has loaded. And as you can see, this is the caption style that I have used. And what you want to do is you want to go to captions up here, and you can go to all the different presets, and this is what they all have. But you can also make a custom font. So as you can see, I use Montserrat, and then I have the same color that I want to go with along with the page. So I have this orangish yellow color right here, and I have it as a one line, as a box animation, and you could do any of these animations right here for what you want. And this is the box animation, as you can see right here.
35.96% interest rate. This is the Botox?
So that's the caption style. And as you can see, there's this AI B-roll right here, which I sometimes do because it can help make the content more original. So what you can do right there is go to B-roll and then auto generate AI B-roll. Click that, and it'll take a minute or two to generate, but it'll generate all of these different pictures that have to do with what is saying in the content. So that is something you can also utilize if you want. And if you don't want AI, you can auto generate stock footage B-roll. And there's also a new feature, which is you can use prompt to generate B-roll if you want to do that. And the most important part with all of these clips is the hook of the video, because the first 3 seconds needs to hook the viewer in, and if that doesn't happen, then you're gonna get less watch time, and therefore the video isn't gonna get pushed out as more. So here's the hook of this video right here.
35.96% interest rate. This is the Botox?
And as you can see, Caleb was very mad right there. So I personally think that's a great hook. And so the next step is to have a title card. That I think that is very important for these podcast clips, because it gives context of what the video is about. So what you can do is go to text, and then you want to add a body text file, and then essentially just give a quick sentence recap of the entire video. So as you can see, I wrote 36% interest rate on Botox. That's insane. That's going to hook a viewer in. And so that is essentially the process of what exactly I do. It doesn't take too much time at all. And again, if you want to fix any of your caption spelling, you can do that up here. I personally don't worry about that. But as you look over here, you can do AI enhance, add more text. If you want to add transitions, an AI hook, more B-roll. If you want to upload any certain images for what's saying on the screen, or if you want to add any music in the background, I personally do that in the TikTok application, which I will show you guys here in a bit. But you could also do that in here if you want. If you have a brand template, so as you can see, if you wanted certain captions with your brands. But yeah, that's essentially the process. So we are going to save changes, and we're going to export this, and we're going to go into the TikTok application here on my PC. I also wanted to say you can download it to your PC, or if you want to connect your social media account straight to Opus to where you don't have to waste any time, you could do that directly from there. Or if you want to export it to Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve, you could also do that. So depending on what you want to do, but I'm personally just going to download this and put it into the TikTok application. So here I have the clip uploaded into TikTok, and I'm going to delete this and make my own custom caption. So something to do with the video, just something short and simple. So I'm going to just say, this is honestly insane. Now I already have this clip uploaded, but I'm just going to show you guys what a simple idea you could do. And then the next part is tagging the creator, because at the end of the day, we are trying to get them more exposure and we can make money off their content. And if you can, try to get the creator's permission, because some people don't like this. It makes no sense, because at the end of the day, we are getting them more exposure this way. But just something to keep in mind. And then I have all these custom hashtags right here, which I have, and that's something that's really nice. You don't have to think about the hashtags. If you once you use them for so much, it'll just have your history right here. here, and then you could just auto put them in here. And then if you want, you can make a custom edit cover. I'm just gonna have this right here, whatever you want to your own preference. And then we're gonna edit video, and here are all the different soundtracks that I use. If you want to take a look at them, these have personally have done really well. They go with a lot of different styles of podcast clips. For this one, I'm going to use this mysterious sound. I'm not going to play it because I'm not sure if it is copyright on YouTube, but that's essentially the style, and I always increase the original sound a bit. You could always play with it, and then I always like to have the added sound at around 4%. Save edit, and that is essentially it. You can post now, or you can schedule out a post. So say if I wanted to have a batch of clips, then I could schedule them out within the next week, which is really nice. And you could also do that in Opus if you're using that. But again, you can do this exact process without having to pay for a tool. But yeah, I could also schedule it out for later today, but in this instance, we can just put now. And I don't really do any copyright checks or anything like that. And also keep in mind, once you hit the 10,000 follower mark, the way you get paid is by posting clips over 1 minute long. If you post clips under a minute, you do not get paid a single thing for that. But again, probably a lot of you guys watching this video don't have an account over 10,000 followers. So do not worry about if your video is over a minute, if it's 15 seconds, 30 seconds. Just try to find the most viral moments from these podcasts. Stay consistent, post 2 to 4 times a day for 1-2 months. You guys will see progress, I promise you. And that's really the process, and then you can click post. And again, I've done this for over a year now, staying consistent as just a side income, and I generated 3 million views and made over $2,000 this past month. So don't just take my word for it, the proof is right here. So I really hope any of you watching this utilizes these steps right here and puts it into action, because again, this side income is amazing and can be for you as well. And I also just wanted to let you guys know that I do have a free Discord community in the description down below, where essentially we can all give free value to one another. And if you have any questions, let me know it down below in the comments or in the Discord community, because I'd love to help any of you out that do want to start this as a side hustle. But I do really appreciate all of you for watching, and if you haven't already, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.